Have you ever noticed? Just when you're trying to focus on something important, a thought sneaks in and pulls you away. You want to stop yourself, but you can't. It's as if your mind has a mind of its own. A wise monk once said, "The real battle isn't outside, it's within, inside your own mind." And if you want to learn how to master it, listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you could change your life. Imagine for a moment that you're in a dark forest within yourself. Voices of thoughts are coming from all directions, pulling you here and there. Inside your mind, every thought is like a whisper, slowly growing into noise. And you wonder, can I ever control this? But there's a hidden path through this forest. There's a way you can stop chasing every thought. And the first step is to pause. Yes, just for a moment. Pause. Take a deep breath and listen to the sound of silence behind all the noise. Now imagine if you tried to feel this silence every day. What would happen? If you became a spectator in this forest of thoughts without losing yourself in it, the noise would start to fade. This is the secret that allows great monks and meditators to control their minds. They know it's not about fighting thoughts but observing them, like standing in a forest and feeling the wind without being swept away. And now, this challenge lies before you. Can you stand still in the forest of your mind? Can you watch your thoughts without running from them? And remember, the journey to controlling your mind isn't something that happens overnight. It's a path you walk, step by step, thought by thought. Every day you can choose to pause, to breathe, and to simply observe. Each moment you choose awareness, you're taking control back. You're reclaiming the peace and clarity that's already within you. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who may need it, and remember to subscribe for more insights on the journey within.